Today I am starting tangents and normals. What is tangent and what is normals? I am giving the definition. What is tangent? Tangent, if a straight line touches a curve at only one point, then the straight line is called tangent to the curve. In the figure, PA is the tangent. So PA is the tangent. What is point of contact? The point where it touches the curve is called point of contact. So the tangent touches the curve at the point P. So P is called point of contact. Normal. A straight line passing through the point of contact and perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact is called normal. In the figure, PB is the normal. So tangent and normal are always at 90 degree. Now points to remember. First point, equation of any straight line having slope m and passing through x1 y1 can be written in the form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Point number 2, if y equal to fx be the equation of a curve, then dy by dx represents the slope of the tangent and dy by dx at x1 y1 is the slope of the tangent at x1 y1. Point number 3, if y equal to fx be the equation of the curve, then minus 1 by dy dx represents slope of the normal and minus 1 by dy dx at x1 y1 is the slope of the normal at the point x1 y1. Point number 4, parallel tangents have equal slope and slope of the tangent which is parallel to x-axis is 0, that is dy by dx equal to 0. Point number 5, tangent and normal at the point of contact are inclined at 90 degree. Point number 6, if two lines having slope m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, and they are parallel, then m1 equal to m2. Point number 7, angle of intersection of two curves is the angle of intersection of the two tangents drawn at the common point to the two curves. If theta is the angle between two tangents of the two curves drawn at the common point having slope m1 and m2, then tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. It should be modulus. Point number 8, two curves cut orthogonally if tangents drawn at the common point are at right angle. So these are the points we have to remember. Now we are going to example to explain the chapter properly. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve y equal to x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 11x square minus 10x plus 16 at the point 1, 2. Solution. Here y equal to x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 11x square minus 10x plus 16. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 4x cube plus 18x square minus 22x minus 10. At 1, 2, dy by dx equal to 4 into 1 cube, 18 into 1 square, 22 into 1 minus 10. So it becomes 4 plus 18 minus 22 minus 10, which becomes minus 32 and it is 22. So minus 10. So therefore, slope of the tangent at 1, 2 is say m equal to minus 10 and slope of the normal (1, 2) equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, equation of the tangent at 1, 2 is y minus 2 minus 10 x minus 1 implies 10x plus y equal to, it is 10 plus 2, 12, and equation of the normal at 1, 2 is y minus 2 1 by 10 x minus 1, that is 10y minus 20 equal to, that is x minus 10y plus, this is one answer, this is one answer. So this is the answer. Example 2, find the equation of the tangent and normal at the point t equal to pi by 4 on the curve x equal to a sin cube t and y equal to b cos cube t. Solution. Here x equal to a sin cube t and y equal to b cos cube t. Therefore, dx by dt equal to 3a sin square t into cos t, and dy by dt equal to 3b cos square t into minus sin t. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So it becomes minus 3b cos square t into sin t divided by 3a sin square t into cos t. Therefore, minus b cos t a sin t at t equal to pi by 4 dy by dx minus b cos pi by 4 my a sin, that is minus, also at t equal to pi by 4 x equal to a sin cube t, that is a sin pi by 4 whole cube, that is a into 1 by root 2, that is a by 2 root 2, and y equal to b cos cube t, b cos pi by 4 whole cube, that is b by 2 root 2. Therefore, point is a by 2 root 2 comma b by 2 root 2. Now we are going to find the equation of the tangent. Slope of tangent equal to minus b by a, and slope of normal equal to minus 1 by minus b by a, that is a by b. So we are going to the top. So equation of tangent y minus p by 2 root 2 equal to slope is minus x minus a by 2 root 2. So now ay minus ab by 2 root 2 equal to minus bx plus ab by 2 root 2. So that is ay plus bx equal to ab by 2 root 2, that is ab by root 2. Equation of the normal will be y minus b by 2 root 2 equal to a by b x minus a by 2 root 2. Multiplying b, by minus b square by 2 root 2 equal to ax minus a square by 2 root 2. So as a result we will get ax minus by equal to a square minus b square by 2 root 2. So this is the answer. Example number 3. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 where the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Solution. Let the required point be x1, y1. The equation of the curve is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3, 0. Differentiating with respect to x, 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore 2y dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2x. This implies dy by dx equal to divided by 2y, that is 1 minus x by y. Therefore slope of the tangent at x1 y1 equal to 1 minus x1 divided by y1. Since tangent is parallel to x-axis, therefore dy by dx, that is 1 minus x1 by y1 equal to 0, that is x1 equal to 1. So from the curve x square plus y square minus 2x, putting x1 equal to 1, we are getting for the point x1 y1 we get x1 square plus y1 square minus, when x1 equal to 1, then 1 plus y1 square minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0, implies y1 equal to 4, y1 square equal to 4, y1 equal to plus minus 2. Therefore points are (1, 2) and 1, minus 2. So this is the answer. Example number 4. Find the equation of the tangents to the curve 2x square plus 3y square equal to 14, which is parallel to the line x plus 3y equal to 4. solution. So here equation of the curve is 2x square plus 3y square equal to 4. Let the point is x1, y1. So differentiating with respect to x, we get 4x plus 6y dy by dx equal to 0. It means 6y dy by dx equal to minus 4x. That is dy by dx minus 4x by 6y, that is minus 2x. So at x1 y1 dy by dx minus 2x1 divided by 3y1. Further, tangent is parallel to the line, x plus 3y equal to 4. Then slope of the tangent equal to slope of the line equal to minus 1 by 3. So therefore from 2 minus 2x1 by 3y1 equal to minus 1 by 3. So therefore 2x1 equal to y1, equation number 3. We are going to the top again. From the curve, we have 2x1 square plus 3y1 square equal to 14. Replacing y equal to 2x1. So 2x1 square plus 3 into 2x1 whole square equal to 14. That is 14x1 square equal to 14 implies x1 square is 1. That is x1 equal to plus minus 1. So corresponding value of y1 equal to, when x1 is 1, y1 is 2, so plus minus 2. Therefore points are 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. And the slope is slope of tangent is minus 1 by 3. So therefore equation of tangent at 1, 2 is y minus 2 minus 1/3. This implies, so what will get, x plus 3y equal to 7. And equation of tangent at minus 1 minus 2 is y plus 2 x plus 1. So from here what will get? You'll get x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. So this is the answer. Find the point or points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 where the tangent is parallel to y-axis. Solution: let the point be x1 y1 and we have x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y differentiating with respect to x, so 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 minus 4 dy by dx, so therefore 2y minus 4 dy by dx 2 minus 2x, so dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2x by 2y minus 4, 1 minus x, y minus 2. At x1 y1 dy by dx equal to, since tangent parallel to is parallel to x-axis to y-axis, therefore y1 minus 2 equal to 0, implies, okay, from 1 for the point x1 y1, x1 square from the top, putting y1 equal to 2, then x1 square plus 2 square minus 2x1 minus 4 into 2 plus 1, x1 square minus 2x1, so minus 3, x1 minus 3 implies x1 equal to, hence points are 3, 2 and minus 1, 2. So this is the answer. Example number 6. So that the curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angle if 8k square equal to 1. Solution. So first equation, the curve is x equal to y square, and second one is xy equal to k. We have to solve the two equations first. So from here, this is say 1 and this is 2. So from 1, x into x is y square, so y square into y equal to k, it means y cube equal to k, so y equal to k to the power 1/3, and therefore from 1 x is equal to k to the power 1/3 whole square, that is k to the power 2/3. Now we are going to find the slope of the two curve. We have x equal to y square, so therefore 1 equal to 2y dy by dx, therefore dy by dx 1 by 2y. Acha, here x we got, so the point we got how much? Point equal to k to the power 2/3 and k to the power 1/3. Now at k 2/3 comma k 1/3. Slope dy dx, say it is m1 1 by 2 into y. Y means k to the power 1/3. From the second curve xy equal to k. So therefore differentiating x dy by dx. So dy by dx minus y by x at k to the power 2 by 3, k to the power 1 by 3, dy by dx k to the power 1 by 3 minus k to the power minus 1 by 3. So here m2 equal to minus k to the power minus 1 by 3. If the two curves cut orthogonally, then product of the two slope must be equal to minus 1. So since the curves cut at, therefore m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So 1 by 2 k to the power 1/3 minus k to the power minus 1/3 equal to minus 1. So therefore what we get? Minus minus get cancelled. 1 by 2k, that is cubing both the side, will get cubing both the side will get 1 by 8k square equal to 1, that is 8k square root. Example number 7. Find the angle of intersection of the two curves xy equal to 6 and x square y equal to 12. Solution. So two curves here, xy equal to 6 and x square y equal to 12. Say curve 1 and this is curve 2. First we have to solve. So from here we are replacing the value of xy. Here x into xy equal to 12. So x into 6 equal to 12. It means x equal to 2. So from here 2 into y equal to 6. Therefore point of intersection is 2, 3. From curve 1 xy equal to 6, differentiating x dy by dx, x plus y equal to 0. So dy by dx minus y by x at 2, 3, dy by dx equal to m1 equal to minus 3 by 2. From 2, x square y equal to 12. X square dy by dx plus y into 2x equal to 0. So therefore dy by dx equal to minus 2xy by, that is minus 2y by, at 2, 3, dy by dx equal to m2 equal to minus 3. Now angle of intersection, if theta be the angle of intersection, if theta be the angle of then tan theta equal to so therefore minus 3 by 2 plus 3 1 plus so mean 3 by 11, therefore theta equal to tan inverse 3 by, so this is the answer and angle of intersection. So this is the angle of intersection. Sum number 8. Prove that the curves xy equal to 4 and x square plus y square equal to 8 touch each other. It means actually you have to prove angle of intersection of the two curves is 0 degree. So solution. First curve xy equal to 4 and the second curve x square plus y square equal to 8. So consider it is 1 and consider it is 2. So from here y square equal to 8 minus x square, and here from here squaring both the side, x square y square equal to 16, x square 8 minus x square equal to 16, 8x square minus x to the power 4. So therefore x4 minus 8x square plus 16, that is x square minus 4 whole square equal to 0, that is x square minus 4 0, x square equal to 4, x equal to plus minus 2. From 2 y square equal to 8 minus x square, so 8 minus 4, that is 4, y equal to, therefore when x equal to 2, points are 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma minus 2. So now we are going to the top again, differentiating x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to minus y by x. At 2 comma 2 dy by dx equal to m1 minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1. At minus 2 dy by dx, say m3 equal to minus 2, that is also minus 1. Over here differentiating 2y dy by dx, 0 minus 2x, so dy by dx minus x by y. So therefore what we are getting at 2 comma 2 minus 1, at minus 2 comma minus 2 dy by dx equal to minus of minus 2 by minus 1. So therefore we are finding m1 equal to m2 and m3 equal to, say it is m4. So slope of the two curves at the common point are same. Therefore curves touch each other. So that's it.